What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with more content. And here we are in the Samsung Calendar application. And I'm making this video because there's one feature I really love in this application, and that is the ability to use stickers to record your mood. Now, I was on the border about making this video because it kind of seems laughable. It almost seems insignificant. But the reason I wanted to make this video is if you're like me and you have a hard time journaling, this is a very easy way to record your mood throughout the day. So again, here we are in the Samsung Calendar application. By the way, this is being screen recorded on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. I like to mention this because the way it's displayed may be different than on another device like an S24 Ultra series. But you can see in the calendar application, we have right underneath the ability to add a sticker. It says tap to add a sticker to this day. So I'll tap on that. And then what's interesting, again, I love this feature for recording my mood throughout the day, is we do have a bar at the top with different moods. So just right up here, we have those mood options, but you can also use a list of other stickers underneath any of these. But to make this content simple, we're going to check the first sticker, and you can see that's check marked and it's added above, and then I could tap the back key and you'll see that it saves that sticker. Now, what's nice about this is that you can also add another sticker. Say you're trying to explain multiple moods in a day, or you need multiple stickers to explain your mood at a specific time. So we can go ahead and tap on the sticker we just added, and then we can add another sticker. So let's say that maybe I'm overthinking, maybe I'm depressed, maybe anxiety's kicking in, or I'm just anxious. We have this sticker over here I could tap on and we can add it. Now there is a con here, and it seems that you can only add 2 stickers for the day. So for example, if I tap on this one and I try to add another sticker, we'll say I'm tired, we'll get this notification, can't add more than 2 stickers. So I would like to see more stickers here because I would like to record my mood at least 3 times a day. Morning, midday, and then evening. Just something to think about here. And what's also nice about this feature is, say we hit the back key here, we can go back to other days where our mood was recorded. So June 26th, I added stickers. You can see I was feeling pretty good, but I was tired that day. And I think this is also beneficial for situations. For example, if you want to remember when you start to feel unwell, or you just want to go back and see how you've been doing lately. I think this might be helpful. And again, it's very simple. It's a little bit more effective for me since I've had a hard time journaling, and it could be the way for you to go long term, or it could be short term until you get into journaling some more. So that is it for today's content. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to use this feature. I'd be interested. And that is it for today. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.